Hi folks, Russ with Pro Steam, and today we have been asked by the customer, the owner of this brand new house, to come in and sort all the floors out. With a new floor, whether it's Amtico or Candine or one of the other brands, you're going to have things like glue residues on the surface, and you're going to have dirt that's been tracked in from outside. Okay, and it will need, here we go, just under here, there's a prime example. Okay, can you see that? Right. Now, a mop and a bucket is not going to remove glue residues. To achieve the results that we're going to achieve, this is the equipment that we use. Okay. Not a mop and bucket. Right, let's get started. Right, okay, so we're going to do a bit of a comparison video for you. Swept, vacuumed everything. We're going to clean one half of this particular area here. Okay, so you should clearly be able to then see the difference, how a professional clean compares to, well, not having the floor cleaned at all properly, or even with a mop and bucket. Right, so as a comparison, I have just cleaned one half of this room, deep cleaned, using that machine there, a specific product, and we've rinsed the floor, okay, with this machine here, all right? So let's take a look and see how it looks. You can clearly see a line down there, and you can clearly see that the floor has a bit of a sheen to it, because that is exactly how the floor looked in the sample pack. Okay, it's free of any dirt or anything, all right? It's got a bit of a sheen to it. Obviously this side hasn't, because it's got so much dirt on the surface, and that's stopping the light from reflecting, all right? So you can clearly see, let's get right in the middle, you can clearly see a line there, all right? And quite a remarkable difference between how it looked before and how it looked before. This has already been cleaned with a mop. Okay, that is the dirt and glue residues that we've just removed from that floor. Okay, there's only one way to clean this floor, and that's to clean it the way I've just done it. Any other way will not work. Right, folks, we have now finished the cleaning, and to give you an idea, it's 2:20 at the moment, and I started this job at 10:30. So it's taken all that time to get this floor clean, free of dirt, glue residues, etc, etc. Okay, it's not a 5-minute job, even with the best equipment available. All right. Anyway, been chatting with the client, and it's been made clear that the problem is not really with the developer. It was actually the flooring company who put the floor in. The developer didn't put the floor in. It was the floor was laid by a local company who the client chose to use, and they've done an excellent job, I have to say. Really looks nice, but the cleaning issue was really more with them and not with the developer. I just need to make that very clear. Okay, so as we walk through this way, everything looks clean, dry and ready for the seal. Okay, so herringbone has got, you know, it gives you kind of two finishes depending on which way you kind of like stood and how the light is hitting the floor. The floor at the moment looks lovely. With a seal, it's going to really bring out those darker colours and add just a very slight sheen to the surface. Okay, so we'll come back to this in a bit once that seal has been applied. Right, that is everything done. And I think you'll agree that really does look lovely, doesn't it? That's a perfect looking floor. And that, it's touch dry at the moment, but that will be ready for furniture to be, you can carefully put your furniture on that floor probably in about 4 hours time, I'd say. We do suggest overnight drying, curing I should say. It usually takes 24 hours for the floor to, for the sealant to actually completely cure. All right, and if you can leave it overnight, then it's always best to do that before the furniture goes back on. So as we walk through here, as you can see, that's all looking lovely. Still drying just in this area here. Okay, but everywhere else is pretty much all dry. It's all touch dry. And I think that's looking really, really lovely. There you have it. Right, okay, so as part of the service, we provide our customers with a quality microfiber mop and the correct cleaning solution to ensure your floor and the sealant is not damaged with regular maintenance cleaning. Okay, so there you have it. I'm just about to show the customer, and I hope they're going to be very happy with the work that I've done. There you go, all done.